Hi friend, have you heard about the LessonPix PlayTools? It's great. You can find the PlayTools under the Your LessonPix tab. The PlayTools use images in your tray. Let's make a game and see how it works. We can find an activity in the Sharing Center. I'm looking for a game board about the farm. Here we go. I need to load the pictures into the tray. I can open this board to use on a whiteboard or in remote learning, or I can print it. Now when I go to the Your LessonPix tab, I can click the Play Tools. This will open in a new tab to sit alongside another window if you need it. You can resize the window to look just right. Choose a game: spinner, dice, draw cards, or timer. Let's start with the spinner. The spinner works with any number of pictures in the tray, although too many will be hard to see. You can also choose numbers on your spinner. The next game in the list is dice. You can choose symbols from the tray, numbers, or dots. You can also choose multiple dice. The draw cards draw a card when you click it. You can choose the hat or a bear. The spinner and dice may repeat a picture or number, but draw cards will only draw one picture each time until all the cards are drawn. The last game is a timer. The timer does not use symbols from your tray. It will count down, count up, or show a stopwatch. Photos look great in the Play Tools. You can save a group of pictures under Your Saved Trays to load lickety-quick. See how easy? The Play Tools can also be found in the LessonPix PowerPoint add-in, and the Google Slides add-on. Use the Play Tools on your phone or tablet for a fun way to select an activity or to play with vocabulary. It works perfectly, and it's so motivating. Have fun playing and learning together.